Hey everybody, we're going to use this light bulb and expand the background to give it a magnification effect. Let's go. Choose your background picture. Crop it. Go to Pixel Bay and get the light bulb. We're going to crop it to the same size. Now we're going to shrink it down, move it into place, make the sun the light and the stalk the cable. Once you're happy with that, turn the background off and select the background using the little select tool there behind the red box. Invert it, and now shrink it down. Once you're happy with that, take the bottom part off, because once you expand it again, it's going to stick out from the bottom there, and you don't want that. Okay, turn the background back on again. Also, just to let you know that I locked that layer so it doesn't move around afterwards. So duplicate in selection, that way it takes a selection of the background picture. Turn the background back off again. Make sure you're selected onto the new layer you just created so you can expand it. And once you're happy with where you expand it, lock it down and then turn the background picture back on again, and you have your magnification effect. I mean, there's many things you can do with the select tool and the layers. That's basically it. Gives it a nice little effect. Save your project, save your picture, your video, add a frame, put some text on it if you want. This frame's very nice because it actually looks like dried wheat. Okay, have fun. Thank you for watching.